Alright, so dividing these two polynomials using synthetic division. So there's my little part of a rectangle. What am I going to put on the outside?
You're going to put positive 3. X minus 3 equals 0.
Which means I'm going to put x equals 3. So we're going to put that 3 out there. Now, inside, I've got to have my coefficients, but I've got to have my x's in descending order, don't I? So I'm going to write that up here above the problem. What is the largest exponent that we have in that problem?
2x cubed.
The x cubed. So we got 2x cubed. What's the next largest?
Negative 3x squared.
And the next one?
11x.
Minus 11x, and then?
And then plus 7.
All right. I didn't have any variables missing, so I don't have to put any zeros there for placeholders like we did in 2a. All right, so what are my coefficients?
2, 3, negative 3, negative 11.
All right, and I'm going to draw a box underneath that 7. What is that box? That's my remainder box. When I fill it in, I'm done with the actual synthetic division part. All right, what do we do first?
You basically divide 2, or you bring the 2 down.
You bring down that first number. What do I do with any number that goes in that bottom row?
You multiply it by 3.
Multiply it by that number on the outside. So 3 times 2 is?
6.
And I'm going to put that in the next column. What do we do with it?
You keep going. That's another.
You combine them. So negative 3 plus 6 is?
3.
It's in the bottom row, so multiply by that 3. 3 times 3 is?
9.
Positive 9. Combine them. Negative 11 plus 9.
You get 2.
Negative 2. It's on the bottom row, so multiply that times the 3. 3 times negative 2. Combine them. And you get 1. So that's our remainder. Alright, so my answer, my problem started with x cubed. So what's my answer going to start with? X squared. It's always 1 less. So that means here's my first coefficient. So I have 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. And then I have plus, what's my remainder? 1 over what we divided by, which was actually the x minus 3. So you can check back to example 1. Is that the answer we had with it?
Yes.
Yes. So we know we did it correct. So there's our solution.